Hello everyone and welcome. I am Pushpak Pandit and you are watching me on my YouTube channel Being Bookish. So, this is the second video of trigonometric ratios. In case you missed the first video, which is very important. Why it is very important? Because in that video I have gave you the best introduction which I could. Okay, in that video you will get what is the meaning of the term trigonometric, because if you are a beginner you need to know what is a trigonometric and what we are going to do in trigonometric. Okay, the second thing, which is the very important thing, that in that video only I have provided all the formulas which are there in this chapter. So I know that formulas can be found in your book, but if you have got an explanation of all the formulas, then you can easily remember all the formulas. So it would be very better from my opinion that you should watch that video. The link is provided in the iCard and in the description box too. Okay, now talking about this video, in this video I would be discussing that how you can solve trigonometric ratios chapter. Okay, so what I have observed till now is that you have to find two types of question. Okay, you need to solve two types of question in this chapter. The first type is that you would be given a trigonometric ratios value. Suppose you have been given that sin theta is equals to 1 upon 3. Okay, then you need to find out the other trigonometric ratios. Okay, suppose you have been given that sin theta is equals to 2 by 3, 1 by 3 or any value, and you need to find out what are the other values, like what is the value of cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So this is the first type of question which you will get and you need to find out the values. The second comes is that you will be given a triangle and the triangle would have some values, the sides would be given, and based upon that triangle you need to find out the trigonometric ratios, that what is the sin theta and what is cos theta of this triangle. Okay, so I would be taking up two examples each of the type which I have discussed, and believe me that you would be able to solve these questions easily if you follow me up that how am I going to solve it. Okay, so it would be better that you take a note of all the points which I am going to say. Okay, so now let's start. So now let's directly jump into the question. The first question is this: sin theta is equals to 3 upon 5 and you need to find out what is the value of cos theta and tan theta. If you have watched my first video, then I have already told that sin, cos, tan, all these are a part of a right angle triangle. Okay, so all these are a part of right angle triangle. And why I am telling that it is a right angle triangle? Because h square is equals to p square plus b square. This Pythagoras theorem can be applied only in a right angle triangle. So from here let's see that how you can find these values. Sin theta's value has been given as 3 upon 5. Now tell me what is sin theta. What is sin theta formula? P upon h. Yes or no? It is P upon h. So from here if you compare the values, then you will see that P's value is 3 and h value is 5. Okay. So to find cos theta, what is the formula of cos theta? It is B upon h. So we have P and h, so we need to find out B's value. So let's see how to find. Apply Pythagoras theorem, that h square is equals to p square plus b square. We have the value of h square as 5. So 5 square is equals to p square, means 3 square plus b square. So 5 square is 25 minus 9 is equals to b square. So we have b's value as 4. Okay, this will be 16 and b is equals to 4. So from here we have got the value of b as 4. Now first question is sin of cos of theta. So cos theta is what? B upon H. We have found the value of B as 4 and we already have the value of H, which is 5. So the first answer for cos theta is what? 4 upon 5. Now the next question, tan of theta. Just remember the formulas and see how can I solve this. Tan of theta. What is the formula of tan theta? P upon B, perpendicular upon base. Okay, so we have P's value as 3 and B's value as 4. So the tan theta value is 3 upon 4 and cos theta is equals to 4 upon 5. Just this you need to do and that's it, the answer for this question. Okay, note this. Now suppose let's take it to another level, that if in this particular question only it has been asked that find the value of cos theta plus tan theta, then how you can solve? You can solve in this manner only. First of all, you need to find out cos theta, then tan theta. So we have already found that cos theta is equals to 4 by 5 and tan theta is equals to 3 by 4. So how you can solve this question? Just put the values that you have got, 4 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4. See, this is the next type of question which you can get and it is not hard. Okay, you need to individually find the values of this and just that, and whatever you get, just sum up all these. So what will you get? The LCM would be 20. Okay, so 5 4s are 16 plus 4 5s are 15. So 31 upon 20 is the value of cos theta plus tan theta. Okay, so you need to remember the basic fundamental that if you have got any trigonometric ratio, okay, find the value of perpendicular, base and hypotenuse and just it. Okay, so you need to find out that only and then you can solve all these type of question. Let's take one more example from this question. So this is the second question and this question says that sin theta is equals to cos theta, where theta is an acute angle, means less than 90 degree, and you need to find out this 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. The first impression, I know that most of you will have that you have been given just this and you need to find this. Okay, means you need to reach till this expression. Okay, one thing before I proceed, that if you are learning from me, okay, my advice is that don't get afraid of trigonometric. Don't get afraid of trigonometric. Okay, think that this question is made for you guys and how you cannot solve this? This question is made for your level, then it is very much possible that you should solve it. And believe me that how you can solve this question? It comes with practice. Okay, it comes with practice. Nobody get a dream that you need to put this formula in this question. Everything comes with practice, so do practice as much as you can. I think I have practiced trigonometric 4 to 5 times. Okay, then only I have got the ability to solve trigonometric. Trigonometric is not a hard chapter, it's just a practice based chapter. Okay, the more you do practice, the more fun it becomes. Okay, see how this question would be solved. We have been given that sin theta is equals to cos theta. So let's take this, that sin theta is equals to cos theta. So if I put this cos theta this side, means sin theta is equals to cos theta, what will remain here? 1. So sin theta upon cos theta is equals to 1. Okay, so what is sin theta divided by cos theta? It is tan of theta, means tan of theta is equals to 1. See how I am getting all these values. Okay, if you have learned the formula, then it is very much possible that you might be getting what I am trying to say. Sin theta is equals to cos theta. This cos theta came here, so we have been left with 1. Now sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta. So tan theta is equals to 1. Now we have been given that tan theta is equals to 1. What is tan theta? P upon B. Yes or no? P P upon P. So what is the value of P from here? The value of P is what? 1, and value of B is what? It would be 1 upon 1. So value of B is also 1. Now I have already told that to solve any question you need 3 parameters, means perpendicular, base and also hypotenuse. So let's find out first hypotenuse. So h square is equals to p square plus b square. Yes, so h square is what? P square means 1 square is 1 plus b square, 1 square is again 1. H square is equals to 2. So what we have got the value of h from here? H is equals to under root 2. So this is the value of hypotenuse from here. Now the first thing is that we need to find out tan square theta. Let's solve this expression here. 2 tan square theta means what? Tan theta to the whole square plus sin square theta means what? Sin theta to the whole square minus 1. 2 into tan theta is what? P upon B. So we have P's value is 1 and B also 1. So 1 upon 1 square. Sin theta is what? P upon H. So 1 upon root 2 whole square. 1 upon root 2 whole square minus 1. 2 into this will come 1. So 2 into 1 is what? 2 plus 1 upon root 2. 2. Root 2 will get squared. So it will be 1. So 2 minus 1. Okay. See. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 plus 1 by 2. Taking the LCM, what we are going to get? 2. Okay. So 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. So 3 upon 2 is the answer for this question. See how have I solved this question. Okay, the process is quite simple. Okay, I just took this expression and found the value of P, B and H. The first need to solve the question is that you need to find out the values of P, B and H and then only proceed, and the question will become very easy to solve. Okay, so note all this if you want. Now this is the second type of question, a triangle type of question which you get, and this is where most of the students get confused. First of all, this is the question, and all these are the questions which you need to find out: sine of B, cos of C and sine of B plus sine of C. The first thing is that, again, see, keep this in note, okay, what I am trying to say. The first thing is that again you need to find out all the 3 parameters: a hypotenuse, a perpendicular and also a base of this triangle, and then proceed to solve all these questions. Okay, so I have already told you in the first video that how you will able to identify which is the hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. Okay, this is 90 degree and opposite to this 90 degree this is the side. Okay, so this side is what? H. H means hypotenuse. Now the main confusion is that whether this is base or this is base, or this is perpendicular or this line is perpendicular, which is what? So the first thing is that hypotenuse is cleared now. Hypotenuse is cleared. So let us first of all find out this. Okay, we do not know what is this, whether it is a base or perpendicular, but we can obviously find this value. How? See, we have Pythagoras theorem at h square plus h square is equals to p square plus b square. So if you consider it as perpendicular, then also it will get sum up here. If you consider it as a base, then also we need to do sum only. So no matter, first of all let's see, we will find this value. So hypotenuse is 10, this is clear. So 10 square is equals to, let me call it as perpendicular for now. So if this is perpendicular, 6 square 36 plus base square means this is the base. Now 10 square is 100, 100 minus 36 is equals to b square. So b square is equals to 64 and b is equals to under root of 64, which is 8. So this is 8. The value of this is 8. Now let's see to find how we will find sine of b, cos of C and sine of b plus sine of C. So let me rub it. The first question is sine of b. First question is sine of b. So the first thing is that you will ask from yourself, what is the formula of sine? Sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse is cleared. This is going to be constant. Hypotenuse is constant. Sine of b. So sine of b means this angle. This is the angle. Okay. So now it is very much clear. This is an angle. Okay, this is an angle and this is 90 degree. So if you remember my previous video, I have already told that a line which has one angle and 190 degree, it becomes the base. So for only this question, okay, remember it, for only this question, this will be our base. This becomes our base, and so this becomes our perpendicular. Okay, for this question only. So what is sine of b? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this is our perpendicular, means 8. This is our hypotenuse. So 10. 2 4 is 2, 5 is. So sine of b is what? 4 by 5. Okay. Have you understood? This is the way to solve these type of question correctly. Now let's jump into second question. The second question asks, what is cos of c? Now cos of c means this time this is the angle. This time this is the angle. So this is the angle. So this angle got removed. Okay. So if this is the angle, this will become the base. Okay, understand it very carefully. This will become the base. So if this is the base, so the base value is 8. And what is cos? Base upon hypotenuse. So base upon hypotenuse means what? 8 by 10. 8 upon 10. So it again becomes 4 upon 5. Means cos of c is also 4 by 5. Okay, try to understand things. I think it would be much clear. Okay, and I think most of your doubts have got clear till now. Okay, so see how am I converting all the base and perpendiculars. Okay, note this. And now let us find sine of b plus sine of c. So we already have sine of b's values, which is 4 upon 5. We need to find sine of c. So when we will talk about sine of c, this becomes the angle and this is already 90 degree. So sine of c is what? Sine of c is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So now in this case, sine of c, what is our perpendicular? This is the base, so this is the perpendicular, means 6, and hypotenuse is 10. So 6 upon 10 is sine of c, and sine of b is what? 4 upon 5. So let's add these two. Oh, I am doing it here. So sine of b plus sine of c. Okay, see the difference. When it was sine of b, this was our perpendicular and this was our base. When it is sine of c, this is our base and this is our perpendicular. Okay, see the difference clearly. So sine of b is what? Sine of b is 4 upon 5, and sine of c is what? I have done it here, 6 upon 10. So taking the LCM as 10, 4 to the 8 plus 6, 14 upon 10 or 7 upon 5. So this is the value of sine b plus sine c, and kindly note all these and remember what I have told you, how to determine the perpendicular and base. All that depends upon the angle. Okay. So that's all for now. I think that most of your doubts and myths which you had in this chapter might have got cleared by seeing this video. If you have really got help from this session, then don't forget to like the video, and if you are new to the channel, my reminder is again that do hit the like button and subscribe button. Okay, so that's all for today, and if you have any other doubts, don't forget to comment down in the comment box, or you can definitely Gmail me in the Gmail which I have given in the description box. So meet you in the next video. Thank you.